The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Match the boss then.
Say cheese. Happy Easter. Smile, darling.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone, you see it? Yeah, so the video I just presented to you, shows of something that had happened within the country of Jamaica, where according to what has been said on social media is that this video shows of a person who had been accused of stealing. Now, I was not there, viewers and subscribers, so, that's why I'm have to say accused of stealing. Is what I'm saying to you about, this video shows of this person in a embarrassing position. You get what I'm saying to you? And you don't know the things that already, something like that, just not look good, you see me? In my point of view, I better you beg than steal. Yes, what I say to you? But anyways, this video is out on social media where comments are being made about this video. So I say, yeah, me bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. And you can also tell me what you think about this whole thing where this person had been accused of stealing. Is what I say to you? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, me have videos and audio to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Me I'm gonna leave the audio for last, because it's a very interesting, thing that is being said in the audio that me have to present to you. See me? Now, the first thing I present to you though is a video, and according to what has been said about this video is that this video shows of persons who are said to be deportees from the United States of America that had arrived in the Jamaica island. You see me? Or you could say the country of Jamaica, you see me? Now, according to reports, it is said that 46 persons had arrived in the island of Jamaica as deportees, and according to reports, it is said that this had happened on the 21st of April 2020. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the video right about now so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, you know what I mean? And just to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. Alright, now take a look, listen and observe. Viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows of persons that are said to be deportees that had been deported from the United States of America. And according to reports, it is said that they had arrived in the island of Jamaica. You see it? Yeah. You see me? Now, I'm going to move on to our next video again now, and this video, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of persons somewhere within the country of Jamaica building a gate, basically turning their community into a gated community. All right, now according to what has been said about this on social media is that this gate that is being built by persons within the community or a community, they are doing this to keep persons out that are not from the community, according to what has been said on social media. You see me? Now the reason for that, viewers and subscribers, there's more than one things being said for the reasons for that. Is what I'm saying to you. But however, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think might be the reason or reasons as for why these persons are turning the community that they're in into a gated community. You see me? Yeah, and to also keep you up to date and posted and make you know where I go on. All right, now here I'm going to show you the video right about now. Take a look, listen and observe.
I think keep shining.
Yes, but if you're going 8 miles, that is how we start.
Just nail him up. Nail him up. And we are the queen work, you know.
Get us up.
Every artist, they don't come with. And we are the queen work, you know.
You want one? Okay, this one. Get one.
Yes, you sit down.
So there you have it, your viewers and subscribers. The video that shows of persons building a gate at a community, you know, and it is said that they are doing this to keep persons out that are not from the community. In my point of view, though, viewers and subscribers, maybe they are doing this because of the whole COVID-19 thing. You see me? I say, maybe. You see me? You can let me know still. You see me? You can let me know if I'm wrong or I'm right. You see me? I say to you, yeah, and you can let me know what you think about it. You see? Well, anyways, you know, viewers, subscribers, the last thing right about now we're going to talk about now is about this audio now. And this audio is out on social media where it is said that this audio is about a person who is said to be a Jamaican that is on a cruise ship, and it is said that this person that is on the cruise ship cannot get off the cruise ship because the cruise ship is on a lockdown while out at sea, and it is said that these persons are there because of the whole COVID-19 thing that is happening. You see me? So let me explain it in my understanding now. You see me? According to me understand it, it seems as if this person that is said to be a Jamaican cannot get the chance to leave from off of the cruise ship because, you know, because of the COVID-19 thing, persons are being asked to stay on the cruise ship. Yes, what I said to you? Yeah, so that's all me get to understand it. Yes, what I said to you? So anyways, you know, in this audio, this person said some things in this audio that would make it seem as if this person is asking for the Prime Minister of the Jamaica or members of the Parliament of the Jamaica to help to get the person off the cruise ship. So when I said to you, yeah, that's how I understand the audio, but you can let me know if I'm wrong or I'm right, and I'm going to play this audio right about now for you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. All right, so for those who might not like the sad moments or the sad vibes, yes, what I'm saying to you, viewers' discretion is advised. All right, now take a listen and observe.
Day and night, wishing to go home just to hold my baby. Just to hold my baby again. My baby young. But me come out here to try to earn a living for me and my family. My baby is just 11 months. And when you read all these people, these things people telling you, stay out there, jump overboard, it's hard. Hard. Sometimes I don't even call my baby because I don't know. I don't know what. I don't know when I go see him. It's like the Prime Minister not care. And you can't look on me and say people are going to come home. If people come home, I don't want to quarantine themselves. Charge them. Charge them or lock. If they can't find you, lock them up. Me believe in that lock. They take temperature twice per day. They try to give 3 meals per day with a bottle of water. We haven't get any information as to when we are going home. I had a crew member trying to reach out to the Prime Minister, but there is no luck, because what I get to understand, the Prime Minister is thinking about if he's going to let us in, we have to pay hotel fee, which since the 25th of March, the Terminator contract, we haven't been getting any salary, no salary. You have people working with the company, 20 years, went and asked the HR if they can retire and get money now. They said it's not time for that. Basically, I would say it's hard because Filipino government, Indonesia, Indian, I realize they are sending shorter flights for them. And they're sending shorter flights. We know no idea of when we are going home. Because even so, the Prime Minister wants us to come in, which they test us twice per day. If the Prime Minister wants us to come in to stay in a hotel, the Prime Minister is supposed to correspond with Miami office, Miami head office, just like the rest of country do. For the company to say, okay, we're going to put them on one ship. Because on Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, it's 1,400 and something Jamaican and all of the ship them. So the government supposed to make some arrangements with the company. And I talk with someone and no information when we are going home. So it's like we stuck at sea. We are born Jamaican and I can't believe it. Me can't believe it. I cried day and night. Day and night. Because he's saying that he don't want the virus to come in Jamaica. And the ship that I am on, you have some dancer from United States of America. And the virus was contaminating US. And the president allowed them to come off of the cruise ship to go home. So I don't understand why is it our Prime Minister can't say, okay, I'm going to get one hotel and put them in and keep them there for 14 days with the expense of the company. Because the company not paying us. The company not paying us. They don't consider and say, we must have bills or something. If they were paying me, right now, even my family will pay the hotel fee because I want to go home.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall. Me only there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And you can let me know what you think about what you have seen and heard in these videos and audio that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, until next time, my name is Dancehall. I want to big up on yourself, yeah.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.